And so I had to go back and forth and work with the cover and through every page on the book. And it could have ruined my book.
So how was your book almost ruined?
Well, I was about to publish soon. I was very close to the deadline, and I went ahead and posted a couple of photos, a couple of illustrations on a Facebook group of authors and illustrators. And I just wanted to figure out what looked better when it came to the cover and throughout the book. The colors, I wanted darker colors for some reason. I wanted the ocean to be navy blue. I really wanted the darkness because it would make the text pop better, and the sea turtle would glow more. I wanted it to glow, but the background, everything I wanted to be dark. And I thought that was the best option. And I had mixed votes on it. Like, people kept saying, "No, that looks better," or "that lighter looks better." But one comment helped me so much. It was an illustrator from the group. I didn't know her personally. She told me she had worked on an ocean theme book, and she went ahead, chose the darker colors, and noticed that the printer actually prints darker. And she warned me. She said, "Go lighter because the printer would normally print darker anyway." And that was the best advice I was given when it came to the illustrations, the colors, because in my mind, I wanted dark. I wanted everything, and everything just worked. But I didn't think about the printer and how the colors were gonna turn out. Her advice helped me so much that it helped me work with my illustrator and my book designer in a timely manner so that I can meet the deadlines, meet the launch day and everything like that, because my illustrator had to work a lot harder because she had to change everything. She had to change the character colors, all the backgrounds, the little plants, the seashells, everything had to be changed. And the text, I had to work with the book designer, everything had to be changed because going lighter, meaning that the everything else had to be darker in order to not to blend with the background. And so I had to go back and forth and work with the cover and through every page on the book. And it could have ruined my book, because if I had to meet my deadlines and everybody's expecting the book for a certain date, and my illustrator didn't have enough time to make the changes later, or just the book would have been printed all dark, and it wouldn't have matched the idea that I had in my head or how I thought that the colors were going to be. And I'm so glad that this illustrator was able to help me with her honest feedback, and that she messaged me separately and kept giving me more details. Took her time so that my book wouldn't be ruined, as it was so close to the deadlines. All right, so this is the cover. You see how beautiful and bright it is. It used to be a lot darker. It used to be closer to this dark over here, but I really wanted gradient. And what we did, we added more light as like the sun rays coming in, and like everything just like looks so bright and beautiful. But one of the other challenges was the cover. I was struggling with it because I felt like something was not right about the turtle. And once Alejandra worked on an extra page I added to the book, page, I believe it's illustration number 15, I still remember, it was just perfect. The turtle was perfect, which was this one. But this was the previous one. The previous one was just too big. I felt the arms were too separate. I don't know. Something just was off about this one. It wasn't as cute as I imagined. And once Alejandra worked on that illustration, it was this one right here. And that's what the one I loved the most. It just looked a lot cuter. Just looking back, it's just adorable. So I went ahead and changed it. But I wanted to keep the original sea turtle in the inside title page of the book. It's just, to show how it progressed. Is part of all the hard work that we went through, and the colors are just beautiful. I love the attention to the shell and everything, but I still wanted to include it. But this is the one that I fell in love with, and that's why I made it into the cover page.